What I like to recommend for founders who maybe are non-technical is creating what I call a work package. And what this is to me is just a visual walkthrough of your idea. So this is actually one that we did for another project. And once again, all the other steps applied. But the idea behind this is that, hey, in absence of having the subject matter expert, in the absence of having the ability to actually write this code yourself, you should be able to communicate as visual as possible who and what should happen when you're using your app or your web app. So in this example, when I hit the login button, it should go to slide 3, which is here. People should be able to enter their credentials here. Um, these are things that if I'm doing the actual development, I will typically skip because it's automatic. Of course, the username and the password goes here. Of course, when you hit the sign up button, it should go there. But once again, not everyone codes. So, being able to kind of specify to that level of, hey, when you click from customer to barber and stylist, this should do a smooth toggle is one of the things that a document like this allows you to do. And then once again, makes you a better developer because when you're developing and building your app, there's no questions about what should happen next.
There's two things that really jump out to me about this. Number one is that it's getting very specific about this is exactly how I want something to look, and really it's then that non-technical entrepreneur that is putting forth, hey, this is really my idea, and trying to put in the little bit of graphics and like even like the smooth toggle, just like little details like that to really effectively communicate. Like that jumps out to me. The other big thing that jumps out to me is there again, it's the cheap knife that feels comfortable in my hand. Like this is using Word or
Oh, this
PowerPoint
is
or
PowerPoint again.
PowerPoint.
Good old
Yeah, PowerPoint
PowerPoint.
again. Good old PowerPoint again. Yeah, so it's like again, it's just PowerPoint. So one
Yeah.
more time, it's like it's not that fancy tool. So it's something that really any entrepreneur is going to have access to and can then make a powerful tool out of.
It's approachable, right? And it's also, the thing about this is, we've been talking about this, but this allows you to actually move faster. It feels like maybe some work up front, but you move faster. And doing hacks like doing it in PowerPoint and copying and pasting or exporting out the screens from Figma makes this whole process a repeatable one that you can apply to pretty much any idea you have.